Tired of sending the same email one by one in Pipedrive? Here is how to send a group email in under 2 minutes. No copying and pasting, no hopping between tabs. Just select the people you need and send it all at once. We will walk through selecting your activities, composing your message, and sending to multiple recipients at once. It is much simpler than you might think. All right, let us jump into Pipedrive right now. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already. You will land on your dashboard, which is that main overview screen with all your deals and tasks. Now, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You will see a list of menu options. Click on the one that says Activities. This is essentially your calendar and task hub. It is where all your scheduled calls, meetings, and follow-ups live. This is also where Pipedrive expects you to be to start a bulk email. It might take just a second for the page to load, which is normal. Once you are on the Activities page, you will see a list of all your upcoming and past activities. To send a group email, you first need to pick the activities tied to the people you want to reach. So look for the checkbox next to each activity. Just click the boxes for the ones you want. In my experience, this is where a lot of people get tripped up. You do not select the person directly. You select the activity they are connected to. Pipedrive links the email of the person who owns that activity. So if you have a call scheduled with a client or a task for a lead, checking that box pulls in their contact info. Pretty clever. Once you have your activities selected, look at the top of the list. You will see a bar with a few action buttons. One of them says Send Group Email. Click that button. A new window will pop up. Give it just a moment to load the email composer. Now, take a look at the top of this window. You will see a section that says To. These are your selected recipients pulled from the activities you checked. Take a quick moment to review them. Make sure everyone who should be there is present. You do not want to accidentally email the wrong contact. Here is a quick tip. If you realize you missed someone, you do not have to close the window and start over. There is an Add Recipients field right there. Just start typing their name or email address, and Pipedrive will suggest matches from your contacts. Click on the one you want, and they get added to the list. It is that simple. All right, now onto the message itself. If you use email templates in Pipedrive, this is a huge time saver. Look for the drop-down that says Select a Template. Click it, choose the one you need, and your subject line and body will fill in automatically. If you do not have a template yet, or you want to write a fresh one, that is fine too. Just double-check the From address. Usually it defaults to your own email, but if you have multiple email accounts linked, make sure it is the right one. Next, enter your subject line. Keep it clear and relevant. Then move down to the main message area where you compose your email. This is just like writing any other email. Type your greeting, your body text, and your sign-off. Keep it conversational, just like you are talking to them. And here is something not everyone knows about. Pipedrive lets you change the visibility of the email. This is really useful if you work in a team. By default, it might be set to private or to your whole company. Click that drop-down and choose who can see this email in your Pipedrive history. It keeps things organized. If you need to attach a file, like a PDF or a screenshot, look for the paperclip icon. Click it, browse your computer, and select the file you want to include. Just keep in mind that large attachments might take a moment to upload. Before you hit send, take one final look over your entire email. Review the recipients list again, scan the subject and the body. Make sure everything looks good. You have put this together quickly, so a quick sanity check goes a long way. When you are confident everything is right, go ahead and click the button that says Send Messages. That is it. Pipedrive will queue up your emails and send them out to every person you selected. No more wasting time on one-off emails. Now you have got a solid workflow for reaching multiple contacts in seconds. If you use this even a few times a week, it will save you a surprising amount of time. Give it a try on your next outreach and see how much smoother it feels. Thanks for watching.